Experts say the Omicron variant causes a milder case of COVID-19, but many hospitals in mid-Missouri are reaching their max capacity.
ABC 17's Layla Mitchell's live after looking further into the highly contagious variant. Layla, not only are patients with COVID-19 filling up the hospitals, but people are having long-lasting effects.
Yeah, Deb and Lucas, while the Omicron variant for many is causing milder symptoms, doctors say people should still take extra precautions, like wearing an N95 mask, because there are still things to worry about, like the long hauler effects that are coming from the variant. Health experts in Missouri say the Omicron variant of COVID-19 is making up more than 80% of the new cases in the state. Today, COVID-19 hospitalizations stayed above 3,000. But the numbers can be misleading.
In December of 2020, at one point we had 102 patients. This morning we were up to 98.
While some COVID-19 positive patients admitted to hospitals may need extensive medical care, some can have mild symptoms.
Because there's so many people infected. There are people coming in to, have their ankle checked, and then they do a test and like, oh, you're COVID positive.
Some patients that test positive when admitted may be hospitalized for a non-COVID related reason, but the hospital will still count it as a COVID patient. For many, Omicron symptoms can be like a cold or flu, but because of how fast the variant is spreading, hospitals are seeing people with severe cases.
So we have a 12-bed ICU. We currently have 15 patients in the ICU.
Percent that end up in the hospital with Delta is probably higher than with Omicron, but if you have a ton more cases, you're still going to get a bunch of people in the hospital.
But experts say people should take precautions because the Omicron variant is presenting unique, long-lasting symptoms.
What they call long haulers, they're talking about months and months.
The symptoms can last anywhere from weeks to months. Experts say the severity of the symptoms can depend on the severity of the COVID case. And long hauler symptoms include, but are not limited to, fatigue, migraines, stomach issues, and even lower back pain. Doctors say you should reach out to your primary care doctor if you're experiencing any of these long-lasting symptoms. Reporting live, Layla Mitchell, ABC 17 News.
Sure, lots of people will be watching for those symptoms as those cases go up these last 2 weeks. Thanks very much, Layla. Johnson says Omicron's the only variant showing up right now in both Columbia and Jefferson City sewer samples.